Hello, section 4.3 IPv4 EIGRP optimization. Configure R5 so that gigabit Ethernet 1.35 never sends hellos. Even if a network statement is ever entered for this network. Okay, we have to configure this interface so that it will never send hellos. We have to use passive interface command here. This is done by passive interface. It will cause this interface to not send hellos, even if this network is entered. And configure R6 and 8 to detect a failure between the links in less than 5 seconds. Okay, default hello time for EIGRP is 5. We have to configure hello timer less than 5 seconds. Okay, let's see our topology. This is our topology. We have to configure R5. This interface should not send hello. We have to use passive interface here to disable hello packets, and these links between 6 and 8. This link between 6 and 8. We have to configure this interface between these devices. Hello timer less than 5. We have to configure hello timer on this interface less than 5 seconds. Okay, before I jump into configuration, let's review what passive interface is. This is passive interface in EIGRP. How does the passive interface feature works? There are some important information here. With some routing protocols, especially with version 2, passive interface command restricts outgoing advertisement only. But in EIGRP, it's slightly different. Passive interface in version 2 only restricts outgoing interface, but in the EIGRP, the passive interface command stops both outgoing and incoming routing updates. It will disable hello. For overcome this, we can use distribute list for some interfaces that we want to receive hellos. And that's the timer. Hold time in the EIGRP is slightly different. Let's see. Yeah, this is the timer using EIGRP is hello and hold. Welcome hello. As you might guess, this determines hello. Hello timer. Hello timer. This determines how frequently a router interface sends hello message to the neighbor. How frequently. However, an interface hold time is not how long the interface waits to receive hello messages from its neighbor before considering that neighbor unavailable. Instead, hello timer is value that we send to neighboring router, telling that neighboring router how long to wait for us before considering us unavailable. And we send hello to the following neighbor so that we tell that neighbor how long it should wait for us before considering us unavailable. This is hold time in EIGRP. We can use a load timer This is IP hello interval. This is classic EIGRP configuration. In classic we use IP command before hello and hold, but because we have configured named mode here, like previous session, do show IP EIGRP, do show IP protocol. We have named mode. In named mode, we have to go interface configuration mode, address family interface configuration mode. In interface configuration we can use both passive and hello and dead timer, hello and hold timer. Okay, let's configure this sorter. First passive interface on R5. Do show IP protocol summary. We have this EIGRP name EIGRP1. Do show down. Oops. Pipe section. Go to EIGRP. Okay, we go to this address family. Then we have to choose that interface to show IP interface brief. This is that interface that we have to configure passive interface. We can use AF interface, this one, interface configuration mode, and we should have this in common. Passive interface and inter. Okay, and we have to go six and 8. Show IP interface brief. The interface is 6, 8. This one. Config T. We have to go do show down pipe section of the EIGRP. Config T. Address family, this one. We have to go AF interface command. This one. And hello interval. We can calculate this is second less than 5, it's just 2. And hold. Send before neighbor is considered down. Let's say 5. Same as here. AF interface, this one. Hello timer is 2 and hold interval is 5. Okay, let's verify. Let's first AF interface. I will advertise that network and see what will happen. Okay, I have advertised this network. Then do show IP EIGRP neighbor. But I don't send hello package toward that network because this interface is in passive mode. Even if I advertise the link, the hello package is not working. Okay, just remove this network. And let's verify timer. This is the Tusha IP EIGRP neighbor. This is timer for time. I have compared 5. This is the between this interface and Tusha IP EIGRP neighbor. This is hold time 4. Between this. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for viewing.